Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be going over how to calculate the working distance for your machine vision application. Once again, I'm going to start out here at visiondoctor.com, and under the optical calculations tab we're going to have a working distance calculator. So we're going to click on that, and that's going to give you a formula and as well as a calculator. So it's going to ask for three different pieces of information. The first being sensor size, the second being focal length or the size of your lens, and the third being your field of view, like how big of an area you want to be looking at. So just to review, your working distance, which is the thing we're looking for, is going to be the distance from the front of your lens to the object. The sensor size, that's the first piece of information that we have to feed the calculator. That's going to be the size of your sensor within your camera, and that's usually found within the spec sheet of the camera. So here, for an example, I have a Baumer CX camera. You can see it's one of the first piece of information it gives you, 2/3 inch. That's the size of this sensor in this camera. So we're going to put that into the calculator. So right now it's at 1/3, but we're going to put it at 2/3. Your focal length, that's again the size of your lens. So let's say we went out and bought a 25mm lens, and then your field of view, that's the size of the area size that you want to be looking at. And in this case it's asking for the length, so the length being one side, the longest side of your field of view. So in this case, let's say the object is I don't know, 20 millimeters tall. So this is going to tell you that you need to be 81.8 millimeters away from the object in order to see the entire object. And that's really it. That's how you calculate the working distance. And you can play around with these to see what a 16 or 12 millimeter lens is going to give you, or 50, and you can see how far away you're going to need to mount the camera in order to get your field of view. And you can play around with the field of view as well to see how that affects your working distance.